Hey, what's up, you guys? This is Derek Collins with Private Practice Marketing, here to help you with your Psychology Today account. And a lot of people ask me, they say, hey, Derek, does Psychology Today work? And I tell them, yes, it works. You just need to know how to work it. And here is a shot of my emails from Psychology Today. As you guys can see here, these are emails of referrals, leads, people contacting me, phone calls in the past couple of days, real time. Okay, this is to show you that it works. You just need to know how to optimize your account, and many people do not know how to optimize their account. Okay, once you optimize your account for success, you'll get a ton of leads of your ideal clients contacting you for your services. Okay, so if you want to learn how to do this, go to marketyourprivatepractice.com, take the training, learn the skills that pay the bills. I'm in Brazil right now, seeing clients as well as vacationing. And if I can do it, you can do it too. Click the link below or go to marketyourprivatepractice.com and learn how to optimize your Psychology Today account so you can get more clients, more leads, more referrals, and more money in your pocket.